Let's talk about email preferences in Beehiiv, how to make them, how to change them, and then how to send them to your audience so they can actually use them. All right, I'm in my dashboard here, and the way that you create a new one, if you go to your audience section right here, click audience, click over here to preferences, and you can see I've got one created right here, email frequencies, the one I'm using. It's multiple choice, and we can edit that, but I'm going to show you how to create a new one just so you see what the process looks like. It's pretty simple. You name it up here, give it a description, and then give it a type. True, false, multiple choice, short response, etc. And then importantly, the response that they give, so whether in my case it's the email frequency, if it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday, daily, if it's weekdays, that response is going to be held in a variable, in a custom field is what Beehiiv calls them. This right here is where you select what custom field you want to hold that response that they give us. Okay, so if you haven't created one, there's a shortcut right here to create a new one. That's what I did when I created mine. I just typed in email frequency right there, and it's a text type, data type of text. Save it. I'm not going to save it because I already have one. Okay, so then you select that frequency. That's where the response is going to be held. You can select right here, if it's multiple choice, whether or not you allow multiple responses. And in my case, because I only want them to select one for their frequency, I do not allow that. But if there was a case where you needed to, you could. And then multiple choice also, this is where I entered daily, weekly, weekdays, or Monday, Wednesday, Friday. All right, that is, and then down here at the bottom, the last thing, preference center settings. Determine if you want this preference to be shown on your subscriber management preference center page. And I click yes, because I want them to be able to change this if they need to. Okay, now let's go into the one I've created. I'm going to go edit, and you can see the responses that I've got here, just what we talked about. And check this out. Here's how we keep track of our audience responses. After you've created this preference, you can create a segment from it. So if I say create segment, I'm going to say daily, and that creates an audience segment of everybody that's selected daily. Now I'm going to be using this for everybody who did not select daily because I send a daily email. So for those who did not select daily, like the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, the weekday people only, I'm going to exclude them from Tuesday, Thursday, and then Saturday, Sunday emails, depending on what they selected. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. But let's look first at the audience segments. This is what's created when you create a segment out of those. So I've got 3 different segments right here for those frequency responses. As you can see, I've only got, this is probably myself, the only one who's done it, because I just made this yesterday and I haven't told my audience about it yet. Okay. How do we actually use this? What does it look like? Do you want weekly tips on how to scale, automate, and grow your business using spreadsheets, automation tools, and AI? GotSheet is my free weekly newsletter that I created for people just like you. Subscribe below, gotsheet.xyz, link is in the description. I created a blank post here, new post, edit this. There's a couple different ways to do this. So over here on Beehiiv, they've got a support article with this exact question answered. I'll link this below, but basically the middle one is what I found works the best. This merge tag at the bottom, you're supposed to be able to just put this into your post, and I will do it right here. Just like this. And it should create a link, a little merge tag to where you change your preferences. However, I had some trouble with it. It may be because I left a space out. Maybe it's supposed to be a space like this. Let's preview that and see if it works. Yeah, it's got this long address and it's pretty ugly. I don't really like how that looks. Do you? No, I don't. So I'm not using that. I'm actually using a button. And here's an email I sent yesterday. In the footer of all these, it's going to say, hey, update your email preferences. Click here. So that's going to take somebody, and that's in all the emails that you send, straight to the preferences page where they can select however many preferences you have here. You can have more than one thing for them to select. As soon as they select another one, it's going to save, and it's going to remove the previous one, the previous tag, and add them to this new tag because I selected only allow one answer because I don't want somebody to be selected on multiples of these. Back over here to the post, how do we create the button? Well, it is this funky string, and I will get it right here. This middle option, you copy all this stuff here and paste it, but you include at the start your website address, progressandperfection.com. I can't type and talk at the same time very well. So I'm going to copy this after I changed it just to make sure I didn't have a typo. Press enter, and yes, this takes me right where I want it to go. So I will add this to the button, and just in case you've never created a button, you create a button just like other items here in Beehiiv. I select custom, I say email frequency, and then right here, type or copy the link. I'll paste in that link that we just did. Preview this again, click that newly made button, and there we go. This is how you do it. It's not that hard. It was a little convoluted. That's why I put the video together to show where all the pieces were. If you need some additional one-on-one help, I am available for some limited consulting work. You can find contact info down in the description below. And if you want to do it all yourself, props to you. I've got more videos like this, including this next one coming up for you to check out. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day.